float or?
I think it got the rev lower.
Okay. Okay. Brutalization on
All
from
right,
whatever.
let's try that again.
All right, sir.
So the rev limiter on that Tech is low. Whatever you set it at, it's 300.
Mr. Marion, tell me about what we have here.
Well, I got a 77 360 Chrysler block. Probably came out of a van or a Cordova maybe. Zero deck block with a 10-to-1 compression with some Speed Pro pistons in it. RPM air gap intake. Tech fuel injection. We've got the comp cams, Extreme Energy 274 cam in it.
What's the lift on that one?
That is a 491 lift. Duration is 230. Intake 236 exhaust.
Okay. And you said you got the expanded pan.
Yes, Mylodon 7-quart pan.
All right.
And then they had the corresponding Mylodon high flow water pump on it.
All right. And you said here what you're having done was they were rebalancing the rotating assembly.
Right, exactly. So we had it freshened up, new bearings, new rings, HEI distributor, one-wire distributor, SFI rated flex plate.
And you said rockers, you run in a stainless roller?
Yes, stainless roller rockers from PRW.
Okay, still the flat tappet on the
yes,
on the lifters?
flat tappet.
Okay. And it just made, what was it, 380 horsepower?
385 and
385, 425 foot-pounds torque. Very cool. And what kind of transmission do you have in this one?
I have built Torque Flight 727.
Okay.
That was built by Extreme Automatics.
3-speed, right?
3-speed, yes.
Okay.
355 sure grip.
Well, give me the rundown. So this is a Dart Swinger.
Yes, 73 Dodge Dart Swinger.
73, okay.
Yes. This car came quick. It was a 225 slant 6 column shift car.
Okay.
With air conditioning. And it had got a V8 swap in it now.
All right. And that was the 360 we just dynoed.
Right, right.
And so you said it was painted when you got it.
Yes, yes. I bought it from a gentleman up in Columbus area.
Okay.
This car is originally from New Mexico.
Okay.
And it's completely rust-free, no Bondo.
A little dark, but looks awesome.
Yeah.
And the interior looks fantastic too. I saw you got this kind of little carbon fiber trim on the dash. It's a little dark, kind of hard to see here. Let me see if I can throw my flashlight on. Oh, watch the door. All right, that helps a little bit, but pretty cool, pretty cool. So what all have you had to do to it? Aside from the engine that we're putting into it, and then you were telling me you've gone through all the suspension and everything else, right?
Right. So the front end now has QA1 upper tubular control arms.
Okay.
And we boxed in the lower control arms.
All right.
It's got all new bushings, ball joints, tie rod ends. It's all been completely overhauled.
All right.
Yeah, these actually came with disc brakes in the front, drums in the back.
Okay.
But what we've done here is on the front, you can take, it's a 10.5 rotor stock. You can buy like a 77 Chrysler Cordova front rotor. It's 11 3/4 inch rotor.
Okay.
It'll go right on there. The stock caliper will fit it. You just have to buy a different caliper bracket. And you can get a big brake setup for, the bracket was 90 and maybe $200 you can upgrade to a big brake setup.
I may have to look at that because Yeah, I looked at going to a big brake setup and it was like $1,000. So I was like, all right, maybe later think about that.
And then we got went ahead and did a disc conversion on the back.
Okay.
Right stuff. They
Got
have bolt-on disc brake kits.
Okay.
So we've got disc brakes all the way around now because when you get a little more go, you need a little more whoa.
I like the ride height too. It looks really sharp. Mine right now is a little too up in the air. We're gonna have to bring that down eventually.
So we thrown on some KYB gas shocks on it.
Okay. I saw you got front and back KYBs.
Had a drive shaft made from Ohio Driveline, 500 horsepower drive shaft for it.
Okay.
I guess it's got a 3-speed torque plate that I had built by Extreme Automatics. It's got subframe connectors in it, so that the body will stay nice and straight.
Subframe connectors. What exactly is that?
So it's a unibody construction. So you have subframe up front and subframe in the back,
Right.
and the floor pan gives you your structural integrity of the
Okay.
car. So you can buy
Kind of a reinforcement bar.
Yep. Right here.
Okay.
Bolts in all the way across.
Okay.
It's
I
typical
gotcha.
for late 60s, early 70s cars to put these on there to tie it. And
Okay. Make it a
more
little,
rigid.
little stiffer. All right.
Yeah.
Very cool.
So those are Mopar Performance bolt on. They bolt right on, but we had them packed in a little bit.
All right. Awesome. Well, thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.